read the Bible and the label on a bottle. I've tried getting angry and I've tried getting sad. I found a good woman who deserved a lot better. She tried to repair me, now she's beautifully mad. 'Cause the world is no place for the sane, but when you're insane, it isn't so bad. It takes away the worst of your pain when you're beautifully mad. You're beautifully mad. I try to be rich, and I try being poor. I tried being peaceful, and it ended in war. But my mind let me down, it was all that I had. It's a fine line between crazy and beautifully mad. Like a ship that's into a bottle, how do we fit all that crazy love inside our hearts? Inside our hearts. I followed the grass